Hi friends, this is Star and today I'm here to share with you my whole months of experience of Facebook Live. I've been Facebook Live for say 1 month plus now. When I started my activity on Facebook Live, it was very difficult for me to find a place in a home and how to interact with the people also. But I'm very familiar with this thing, so I just decided to get started and don't think just doing is very important. So I started my activity on Facebook Live and I started to do workout in front of people, in front of camera. It was very tough for me initially because I need to be very strong to sustain for 30 to 45 minutes. But I've been doing, before that I was also very strong and active. So I was able to perform my activity for 45 minutes on Facebook Live continuously. Now I'm doing this activity for 1 month. I've become stronger now. Many people used to come on live to watch my activity. That activity might help them. They might have take the benefit of that, and they keep doing their activity at their home. Because it's squats, lunges, abs, crunches, meditations, a lot of stuff. And as I'm a personal trainer, I know about this field. So I'm guiding people how to choose the exercise, which are the exercises you can do in your home. How to be creative in your home, and so I'm doing the exercise. It is being difficult time for everybody, but as a person I'm very positive and I love to be positive all the time because I believe you get only one day every day, so why not enjoy that day and make it much better and stronger for everybody, for yourself. So while I'm doing this activity for a month time, I become very stronger. You can see me that I'm in a better shape now. I'm being stronger also. My mind is very positive. I'm just enjoying my life. I'm being so strong. I'm being so focused. It is like a normal day for me. It is not something the situation is outside is affecting you. Yes, it does affect everybody. But if you're contributing the best thing, it is helping you out all the time. So why not? Being for the 1 month actually it has helped me for doing workout. So this is our favorite activity to do exercise. Why not you people start your activity and keep enjoying your life also. So I wish you that you start your activity on your own. If you get any help, you can join me. You can put the comments below down. I can guide you through. Otherwise, you can select any activity at your home and get started. Don't wait for anybody. Don't wait for the best time. This is your best time. Whatever the time you have, because we are here. Most of people are suffering for this difficulties, but we don't have to go there. We have to be very positive. We have to be very stronger. We have to focus. We can stay stronger so we can help our family, our surroundings, and everybody. So that is my thought for this day. And Facebook Live doing purpose was to help people to keep their activity alive. They should be doing their activity for their home, and that's why I'm here for you people. Please help yourself, help the surrounding, help me come on live Facebook and keep doing your activity and keep yourself and be happy. This is the start. I love to be happy all the time because I believe this is the only one day you get, and you have to use it. You have to enjoy this day. You have to just be happy every day. So why not start contributing yourself? Take care of yourself, be strong and be happy. Very please take care. See you. Thank you.